Go to RiceDrive.com and log in using your email and a verification code. Step 1. Connect your Zoho WorkDrive to RiceDrive. On the Zoho authorization page, check the consent box and click Accept to allow RiceDrive to connect to your Zoho WorkDrive account. Zoho WorkDrive is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Go to the My Drives page to view the cloud storage account you just added. Step 2. Connect your Google Drive account to RiceDrive. Select a Google account you want to connect. Click the Continue button. Check the checkbox and click the Continue button to grant RiceDrive access to your Google account. Google Drive is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Now, both Zoho WorkDrive and Google Drive are successfully connected to RiceDrive. Step 3. Create a cloud transfer task from Zoho WorkDrive to Google Drive. Select the files or folders in Zoho WorkDrive that you want to transfer. Select a destination folder in Google Drive for the files transferred from Zoho WorkDrive. In the task settings, you can configure filters and choose how to handle existing files. In the schedule settings, you can schedule the task to run daily or weekly. Click Startup to create and run the transfer task. The task has started. Even if you close the web page, RiceDrive will continue running the transfer in the background. The task has been completed successfully. Please check the logs to make sure all files were transferred properly. The folder has been successfully transferred from Zoho WorkDrive to Google Drive. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.